In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Leonardo AI. This platform makes it incredibly easy to edit your images, allowing you to focus on creating stunning content without any distractions. Whether you're a professional designer or just someone looking to enhance your photos, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, you need to ensure you're in the right place within the app, your personal feed. This is where all your images are housed, distinguished from the community feed, which showcases community creations. Being in the right feed is crucial, as it ensures you're working on your personal images. Once you've confirmed you're in your personal feed, the next step is to select the image you want to edit. This can be any image you've uploaded or worked on previously and want to transform by removing its background. Now that you've selected your image, the next step is to activate the background removal tool. To do this, simply hover your cursor over the image. As you do this, you'll notice a range of icons appearing. Among these, you'll find the Remove Background icon. It's specially designed for this task, making it handy and easy to spot. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action initiates the system's powerful image processing capabilities. You don't have to worry about the technical details here. Leonardo AI handles all the complex algorithms for you in the background. Once you've clicked, there's a brief waiting period as the software processes your image. During this time, Leonardo AI works its magic, carefully recognizing the foreground and background details to separate them. This ensures that the subject of your photo remains crisp and clear, while the background is intelligently removed. Patience is key here, as a few moments of processing can mean a high-quality result. After the system has completed its task, you'll notice a change in the icon's appearance. This is your cue that the background removal process is complete and that your image is ready for viewing. To access your newly edited image, simply click on the icon again. This action not only allows you to view your background-free image, but also provides options for downloading it. With just a few more clicks, you'll have your clean and polished image saved and ready for whatever application you have in mind. And that's it. You've successfully removed a background using Leonardo AI. With these steps, the platform empowers you to effortlessly enhance your images, whether for professional projects or personal creativity. Keep experimenting and see how removing backgrounds can transform your visuals. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.